done it. We've finally done it, Brad. We've made a minimum viable performance of Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones. And it's
Correct.
live. Yay. Yeah, we're stoked because this forms the basis of our weekly drops. And this week, it's all about backing tracks. And we're really
Yes.
excited to tell you all about it.
So it all starts here. Well, actually, it all started when Mick said to Keith, I just can't seem to get any satisfaction. Keith said, you know what, Mick, let's write a song. In fact, let's write a banger. Which is great, except it's not really that easy. And so if you've just started to play an instrument, you might think, I'd really love to play music with people, but this satisfaction is too hard. That's where we come in. We've made a simplified version of satisfaction, and that's what you can see on the screen at the moment. But you might be thinking, you know what this song needs? Me. I wish I could play the bass. Well, you can. We've made backing tracks for you for every instrument so that we go away and you can come in and steal the show. So, but don't worry, if it's still a little bit beyond you, any day now we're going to release tutorials for each one of the instruments. So make sure you keep your eyes peeled.
Yeah, and so whether you're a student, teacher, we'd love to know in the comments below what you've sunk your teeth into and how it's going. And also, you can access these in a number of different ways. Best way in the description below, but also at the end of this video in the top left corner, there'll be a link to a playlist of these tutorials. And you can follow your muse, you can learn all the parts, or you can just follow an individual instrument track. It's up to you. But till next time, this is Pete and Brad signing off.
Let's do it.